tornado emergency for Albany and Rensselaer counties. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Albany County, central Rensselaer County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over South Albany Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely. Many well-built homes and businesses will be completely swept from their foundations. Debris will block most roadways. Mass devastation is highly likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include Albany, Troy, Hampton Manor, Delmar, West Sand Lake, Mayhans, Latham, and Green Island. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect